have coming up next, that's right, it is Mr. Yaro Kubrin. He's a second-generation cannabis cultivator, a founder of Special Teams Consulting, focusing on cannabis, real estate, and when you mix the two together, you know what you get. That's right, you get cannabis real estate. And it is none other than the Yaro Kubrin.
And I'm not from Florida. Thank you so much for the intro. Super great to be here at High at 9 News, and this is going to have to be a good enough episode to keep everybody full until Monday. The article that I chose to read about today is CryoMass partners with California manufacturer to revolutionize cannabinoid production. CryoMass Technologies, a leader in innovative cryogenic botanical refinement systems, has signed a license agreement with the California cannabinoid ingredient producer RubberRock Inc., co-founded by famed extractor Brad Robinson, co-founder of Guild Extracts. Led by Chief Science Officer Brad Robinson and co-founder Kevin Alhanzi, RubberRock aims to become a leader in the production and wholesale of cannabis ingredients. After demonstrating the trichome separation capabilities of the CryoSift Separator, CryoMass' most important objective was finding the most efficient and scalable way to utilize CryoSift for large-scale cannabinoid production. This meant finding partners with deep extraction expertise open to new methods beyond existing extraction processes. Current extraction techniques utilize full biomass, not refined and concentrated input material like CryoSift. CryoMass found an ideal partner and pioneer extractor Brad Robinson. In 2015, Robinson and Guild Extracts were the first to isolate and commercialize high-purity THCA crystalline, the natural form of THC found in raw cannabis plants. Robinson holds 2 patents for efficiently extracting and isolating cannabinoids and terpenes using proprietary methods. His ability to produce pure cannabinoids faster and with less solvent and in higher yields than other processes put him in a class of his own. Robinson's innovative approaches mirrors the way CryoMass develops its trichome separation process due to the creative thinking of Matt Armstrong, CryoMass's Senior Director of Innovation, and a willingness to explore new methods. CryoMass identified Brad and his team as the right partner since RubberRock already produces cannabinoid ingredients faster, more efficiently, and cheaper than most processors. Combining CryoMass' patented refinement with Brad's proprietary extraction will enable unprecedented scale and cost efficiency in cannabinoid production. Under the agreement, CryoMass receives a territory licensing fee and ongoing royalties. The royalties include 25% of gross rev from any cannabinoid extracts, ingredients, or formulations utilizing CryoSift. Minimum quarterly royalty starting at $100K and reaching $750,000 by Q4 2024 guarantees CryoMass at least $3 million in annual royalties. This recurring revenue stream positions CryoMass to potentially reach profitability from a single system. CryoMass CEO and Director Christian Knoll stated partnering with an innovative processor like RubberRock is key to scaling our disruptive technologies. This joint solution unlocks new potential for producing high-value cannabinoid ingredients at scale. The structure of this agreement will increase our revenue potential, which is great for all stakeholders, aka people who put money in already. Robinson stated the collaboration, quote, will allow RubberRock to become the top cannabinoid supplier in California. That wouldn't be possible without CryoMass's game-changing refinement process, unquote. With strong demand and solid pipelines, CryoMass continues selectively vetting partners to deploy its technology, blah, 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 forward statements, yada, yada, yada. So here's what I think. First of all, I know Brad Robinson. I like him. I like what Guild did. I was speaking to him in person as recently as a few weeks ago. And I think that it's interesting because cold-based technologies are I think a game changer, but at the same time we have a basis for that already, right? We were making bubble hash years ago, putting cannabis biomass into buckets of ice water to separate those active ingredients from the biomass. There's a lot of interesting technologies within sort of this cryo technology, from curing to flash freezing to separating those trichomes and active ingredients. I do think Brad is an innovator. The THCA crystals are something, especially in a non-psychotropic form for oral ingestion, that I think really put Guild on the map and separated them from some of the other extraction companies. And I'm excited because I think that this industry does need some good news, some fact-based good news. And extraction tech, vape tech, and ag tech continue to be underreported bright spots in the industry that I don't think get enough press. I am very worried about that licensing fee structure. That seems very aggressive. I think Brad's a bright guy and wouldn't have agreed to it unless the scale was exciting, the total addressable market made it pencil out. But if those licensing fees are indicative of what they think they can do in the largest California economy in the United States, then maybe truly they can use that cliche disruptive, because it could very much be a scaled game changer. This is Yaro Kubrin for Hyatt News. Hyatt 9 News.